This is where Police Constable Jermaine Bennett was killed on Tuesday night, where he was reportedly visiting his child. Reports from the police are that at about 9:45, Bennett was attacked by gunmen who entered the yard on Main Street, Gregory Park in St. Catherine, where he is also a resident. The constable was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has since launched a top-level probe into the murder of the 36-year-old cop who was assigned to the Kingston Central Police Division. Chairman of the Jamaica Police Federation, Corporal Rohan James, says the police force is appalled by the constable's killing.
We just want to say to the family members at this time that we express our sincere condolences, and that we, even though we are mourning, we will not do so without hope. We will pursue those who are responsible.
He is emphasizing the need for lawmakers to strengthen the crime-fighting legislations.
We are very, very concerned, and all we are simply saying to our legislators to look at the legislation and to let us seriously examine what it is that is required of us to expediently treat with the issue of crime and criminality. And let us shift focus about fighting crime and move in the direction of managing the affairs of crime.
Meanwhile, in a statement, the police command has condemned the brutal attack, saying the threat level against police remains at extreme, and as such, officers are encouraged to take swift and decisive action to defend themselves. The police are asking anyone with information that could assist in their investigation to contact the Portmore Criminal Branch, the Major Investigation Division, Crime Stop, or 119. Christine Forbes for CVM Live.